Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set month method. So what it does, it set month for the specified date according to the currently set year. So what we need to do, create an event and pass and date. And now what we're gonna do is next is get the month by using get month. So it returns you the month. It's here, it's August, and it will give you in the number of numeric form, which is here is 7. That means August. Now you're gonna say, hey Assad, it's August is 8. And no, it's not, because the January is 0. That's why it's 7. August is 7. So now this is what it does. It give you 7. And now inside the get month method, it will now you wanna change the month will by set month. So month, and you can both pass a string or numbers. So if you want to change into the January, you will say 0. If you want to say February, so what I'm gonna do is to change into February. So this is the 1 is February, and if you could do that, it's gonna give you the 1. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.